exciting. Welcome back to Nick.TV. This is the Barbie Project finale. That's right, episode 6 of the Barbie Project. It's also my season finale. So the final step of the Barbie Project is going to be tuning the computer. Alright, so here we are in the VCM scanner for the HP tuners hardware interface. I'm hooked up to the truck is running, and I'm just going to go ahead and start scanning. And I'm going to go for a drive. Basically with this number here I can tell if it's running lean or running rich, and right now it's running about 10% rich, which is quite a lot. So I'm going to go for a drive, just cruise around town a little bit, and then we're going to come back and take a look at these numbers. We're going to see where we're at. Alright, so that's it. I just went for a 23-minute drive, and I've got some data here, and I'm just going to hit stop. Okay, so running a bit rich right across the board. I don't really see any areas where it's lean. Right there at idle, that's roughly my idle there. That's what I'm seeing on my oxygen sensor gauge. So what I'm going to do, just copy all these numbers here, switch over to the editor, grab this table here, I'm going to go paste special, multiply it by percentage half, just to do some fine tuning on the mass airflow frequency. This is really weird, this area right here. I'm going to do some interpolating here. It's a little better, but I still don't like it. Alright, so I'm going to turn the truck back on here, and we will rewrite the computer with these new values, and hopefully the next drive around we get a little bit closer to burning the fuel efficiently. Alright, and that's it. So I've rewritten the truck's computer, and that's really all there is to it. That's tuning in a nutshell for the mass airflow stage anyways. There's all sorts of other things in here I can change, like I can change my tire size, and if I put a new transmission in, I can change settings in the transmission, trouble codes, stuff like that. Boring stuff. The tuning in a nutshell, go in here, tweak this, rinse and repeat. Fun stuff. Once I move on from the airflow, I'll be dialing in the fuel delivery, or the speed density tuning. After that, I'll be tuning the spark. It's basically just a tedious rinse and repeat process that I've been doing ever since pretty much near the end of December. Once I get the air, the fuel, and the spark all dialed in, I'm going to dial in the torque model. So right now, as it is, even if I could get 500 horsepower out of the engine, the transmission is not going to deliver that power to the ground, because the torque model is set up from the factory still, so it's going to only put out as much torque as the truck did from the factory. So everything sounds great. I've actually experimented and opened up the torque model to allow for maximum torque delivery to the ground, and wow, that's all I gotta say. This truck just gave her shit, but everything wasn't optimized, so that was only a one drive experiment. So going forward, I only have a couple of small little things left to deal with as Barbie's concerned. I gotta weld up the exhaust still, so I've put some exhaust clamps on the where I cut off the exhaust at the cats. The truck doesn't sound the greatest right now because of that, but it's not that big a deal. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes of the tuning process, I'll be happy to make another video, but it's pretty boring stuff, to be honest with you. I've already done about 30 drives. Just had to get past that house on wheels. I've already done about 30 drives to get the airflow dialed in the way it is now, and I'm getting fairly happy and fairly close to moving on to the next step of tuning. There's not much else I can cover about the Barbie project. I will be making more videos as my journey to upgrade, tune, and otherwise make my truck better. I love the truck. Not much else I can say. So that's it for the Barbie project and for season 3 of Nick.TV. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the views and the comments, subscriptions. I hope I'm delivering content that you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want to see more of or less of in season 4, and hopefully I can make those things happen. I really hope everyone's doing well through this pandemic. I know it's been a tough year for everybody. A lot of people in quarantine, a lot of people losing jobs, getting sick. I hope you're staying safe and healthy out there, guys. I know this year I've brought you a lot of content that isn't quite what everyone's experience was in 2020, but I'm thinking about you guys. I'm thinking about everybody, and I'm hoping everybody's staying well out there. I'm really looking forward to making new content for season 4 of Nick.TV, and hopefully in 2021 we can see some sort of normal life. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Look out for new and different content coming to my channel later this winter. I will be taking a break from full-blown episodes of Nick.TV for about a month or so, but stay tuned for some Nick.TV off-season clips. Looking to work on my skills in video editing and video filmmaking. I've got tons of great ideas for Nick.TV season 4, which hopefully will get underway either at the end of February or early March. All right, that's it. That's all I got. Have a great day. Okay, bye.